From this very moment, each coffee cherry begins its extraordinary destiny. We pick only the finest fruits because every product begins with respect.
Each basket holds 5 months of waiting.
Only the cherries that meet the standard may become premium instant coffee.
Cleanliness is the first step toward purity.
Beneath the rough skin lies the true soul of coffee. Fermentation awakens the flavor. We do this every day, as though nurturing a living being.
Asian sunlight seeps into every fiber.
Perfect moisture is the key to a perfect journey. From farm to factory, transformation begins. Every bean is strictly monitored. Nothing is allowed to compromise quality. A long journey lies ahead. Purity is never easy. Now the real magic begins.
A tiny, fateful pop.
This fragrance is the spirit of the product. Even roasting brings balance to flavor. Rapid cooling preserves subtle aromas. Like gently sweeping away what no longer belongs. Grinding fine prepares for extraction. The bean becomes powder, but its story isn't over. Here, the essence of coffee is drawn out. High heat awakens every flavor.
This fusion is the heart of instant coffee.
Only the purest remains.
Science ensures perfection.
Every number is a promise.
Richer. Stronger. A moment of magical transformation begins. From liquid to tiny granules, like a miracle. Light as dust, powerful as a forest.
The feel of the final product is indescribable.
Cold temperatures preserve every note. A refined method for a refined flavor. Tiny crystals holding an entire world. Value comes from meticulousness, mixing so every grain shares the same character.
So 1 second with water becomes a perfect moment.
The long journey nears its end.
Every gram matters. As if welcoming the soul of the mountains.
Locking in flavor for the consumer.
No flaw, however small, is allowed through. This speed exists to serve perfection. Every mark is a pledge of transparency.
They treat it like their own creation.
Cold precision, serving the warmth of a cup of coffee.
Not a single air molecule may escape.
They're ready to travel the world.
Each truck carries flavor far away. Factory's ending is the beginning of millions of stories.
With just seconds, the entire journey reawakens.
This is the moment that awakens the bean's soul.
A warm breath for a cold morning.
Happiness is sometimes just a small sip.
This rhythm never stops. High heat shapes a bold character.
A scent that makes anyone pause.
Contrast creates exceptional quality.
Light, yet full of energy.
A touch that feels like touching time itself.
This fragrance defiles the product's soul.
Every micrometer is monitored.
A tiny deviation changes everything.
Here, coffee is reborn.
Everything moves like a symphony. Precision to the last degree.
A whole line's pride in every bag. We forgive no mistakes.
The best must be recognized. Transparency for peace of mind. Where quality is preserved. Only what's worthy is stored here.
Each batch is a new chapter.
A new batch, a new hope.
A pressurized inner journey. Precious parts must be kept aside. Essence saved for the perfect moment. Soul returns to complete the product.
Uniformity is the key to quality.
Over 500 meters devoted to consistency. Less 3 seconds, fully dissolved.
Cleanliness is a principle.
A world running with precision.
Hot, but full of pride.
Science creates miracles.
The first grains are always memorable.
A heartbeat of the line. Gold is not a color, but a reputation.
Going wherever people need energy. A new journey officially begins.
From factory to life, everything blends together.
Warmth that touches the heart.
A bit of clarity to keep going.
Flavor keeps moments alive.
A sip can recall a lifetime.
The cycle repeats endlessly.
A 1% error is failure. Data guides improvement.
Technology leads everything. Every movement precisely calculated.
A view we never tire of.
Nothing may be mixed.
Flavor must be soft with a clear finish.
But it is pretty, yes?
The color tells the roasting story. Light reveals what eyes miss.
Safety comes first.
A promise to the consumer.
Automation keeps everything flowing.
Dissolution is the destination.
Every cup carries a story.
Creativity brings the product further.
light yet irresistibly aromatic.
Everything must remain spotless. The journey begins with purity.
Precision never errs.
The heat journey begins.
A moment marking maturity.
Human judgment still matters.
Fineness ensures good extraction.
Transformation is strongest here.
This fragrantite with the product.
Returning the soul taken earlier.
Freezing preserves original flavor. The water leaves, the flavor remains intact.
Light, yet full of strength.
For those who love perfection.
Air is the enemy of flavor. One drop of moisture ruins everything. Every can must be flawless.
So users can trace it all.
Ready for the world.
Thousands of kilometers await. Flavor crossing the ocean.
A strange flavor, yet captivating.
Helping them stay sharp through the day.
Bringing people closer.
A good decision begins with a good cup.
Inspiration often starts from simple things.
Energy to keep going.
The journey of coffee never ends.
Even when the world sleeps, the beans keep living. Tiny, yet holding the labor of thousands.
This is what we dedicate our lives to perfecting. This moment is the meaning of the whole journey. And everything exists to create this one moment.
Instant coffee, where a long journey finds peace in a single sip.